What is up? Today I'm going to be testing out for the first time in my whole life how to apply self-tanner. This self-tanner is from FitCover, which I am affiliated with, but I haven't tried this product yet, so I thought I might as well like film it and then see how it goes. I've never applied this, so I don't know what I'm doing. They also said to use their mitt, but I don't have it. My bad. What I'm gonna be using is this towel turban because I feel like it's basically the same thing. I don't know. It's like soft and it could probably spread it well. So this will be good to see someone who's never done this before do it, because I feel like usually the people that know what they're doing apply it and I don't know what I'm doing. So it told me that I should ensure skin is clean. So I just had a shower. I'm all wet. And no, I'm not all wet anymore. I'm dried now. And I moisturized my knees, my elbows, and anything that's dry. So like my feet, and exfoliate. Didn't do that, but like we'll see how that goes. And then so you want to shower 1 hour after application for light tan, 2 to 4 hours for medium tan, 6 to 8 hours for dark tan. We're gonna go for the dark tan just because like why not? So it comes in this little bottle and it is 150 milliliters. I don't know. And this one's meant for the gym, so that's good for me. Obviously it's sweat ready self tan mousse. So it says to shake it well. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Let's just jump right into this. I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'll stand up for this. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because coronavirus, we gotta just watch a bunch of YouTube videos. So I'm just gonna be pumping out some content. So let's do that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at janellefaithill. I'll post on there. Gonna be trying to because I'll be bored because of the coronavirus. You know, pandemic, you gotta watch some YouTube. So let's do it. I feel like this is a decent angle. Okay, let's start like with my arms because I feel like that's not too bad. Or should I start with my stomach? I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't want to mess this up, but I feel like I'm going to. Okay, we'll start with my stomach because that won't be seen right now. Let's get the first pump here. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh my god. God, looks like poo. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm applying it. Circular motions. That's pretty circular. Okay. Okay. I hope this works. Oh my god. I'm scared. I feel like I'm really crutching myself here using a towel turban, but I don't know. I don't want to go out there because of corona. Okay. So to shake well. I think I shook it pretty well. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Okay, let's just do my chest. Whatever. Oh my god. Okay, it's like when I put it on, it actually kind of blends out very nicely. Like I thought I was gonna be like really brown. Okay, so I feel like it's applying decently even though I have a towel turban. Oh, okay, okay. I just don't want to get too much. It's said to like apply in your drier areas with just like the remnants stuff, so I don't want to get too much on my elbows. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. 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 I guess that's why you use a mitt. That's fine. Oh well. We're in too deep now. I've gone too far. Okay. Okay. Oh god. What have I done? Should I dab it? No. I'm sorry. Oh god. Should I rinse that? God. Should I have done that? I should probably do my armpits. I think. I should have watched YouTube videos on how to do this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe a little bit here. I just don't know how dark it's gonna be. Never done this. I've gotten spray tan before, and my girl always kills it. Do I do my face? I feel like I would. Do I look darker? It doesn't look orange. That's always one of my worries. I don't want to be orange. That's not a vibe. All right, that looks pretty even. What do you think? Okay. Let's do the legs. I feel like I need lots for my legs. Ooh, yeah. I feel like I ruined this turban towel. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry. Hope you didn't love this towel turban. I feel like it's just soaking up all the product. It's fine. I'm scared. Don't forget to be circular. Circle. Circle. Oh no. Oh. That doesn't look nice. It's like sitting in my pores. Oh god. We'll just put more product. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh god, I got some on my floor. Oh. That's my bad. It came out. It's good. Back to this. Guess I should have stood on a towel. That's completely my bad. I just got too excited. All right, that looks very mediocre. Maybe I'm not gonna go for a dark tan. Maybe we'll do it 1 to 2 hour. All right, let's do the other leg. Okay. I just thought, like, how are you gonna mess this up? You're just putting like foam on, but I can see how this could go bad. So hopefully that's not me. Winnie, you don't want to see. You don't want to see this. So we just shaved my legs, and it's not burning or anything, just like a little bit. But that's just because my pores are all open. So we'll see how that plays out. And all these products are vegan. What is it? Cruelty-free, vegan, not animal tested, Australian made, sweat resistant, and it's natural. So that's good. We don't want to hurt any animals to be tan. That doesn't even make sense. All right, so it's really bringing out my shaving pores on my legs, but I feel like that's just because I didn't exfoliate. So that's my bad, because I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I guess we will leave this and see how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna do my back. This is so hard to do by yourself. God. Okay, I guess I'll put more. So I ended up just like applying the rest in my bathroom because it was really hard to just like look at a little monitor. It's looking pretty good. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It actually doesn't really smell like anything. And the color is coming out like what I would usually look if I got a spray tan, which is like a good thing, I think. I just want to like make sure that I don't look gross, you know? But I think it's actually looking pretty good. I did my face. It's just really hard to like get back there. Like, how do people do that? It's like, and make it look good? Like, what? Do they have some sort of special like self-tanner thing that I don't know about? So I am really impressed with the results so far. It's only been like half an hour-ish. So I think I'm gonna go try work out, even though I'm probably not supposed to. So we'll see in like a few hours how this is looking. I feel like a bronzed beauty. Wow. Wow. If I can do it, literally anybody can do it, because I did not know what I was doing. And I was using a towel turban. So that's all I gotta say. Oh my god. Hopefully it looks good and I'm not just like blind, because I think it actually looks really good. Like, it looks pretty even, okay? I did my best. It was a towel turban, for God's sakes. Okay? I just feel like my back isn't gotten, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right, okay, I'll see you in a few hours. All right, so far it's looking pretty good and natural. I'm very impressed with this so far. It smells like nothing, so yeah, 2 thumbs up. We'll see you in a couple hours, maybe tomorrow when I rinse it off. Because I want to be dark, so far so good. So this is the final result. I think it turned out really good. I'm a lot darker than I thought I was going to be. Like, I'm dark, but it really does look amazing. I think it did blend very well, in my opinion. In my very amateur expert opinion. Yeah. Yesterday, it kind of stuck and made this patch a little bit red, but today it looks a lot better. It's just like a little bit darker, I think, because the skin's just like a little bit rougher there. But I'll give you the full peek of what you think. So yeah. I don't even know if you can really tell, but I can really tell, obviously. Yeah, I think I look really tan. Well, really good. And I did pretty good for using a towel turban, so that's like a plus. Yeah, the only thing I would say would be definitely exfoliate, because my legs are looking a little bit rough on my calves. Just like a little bit of like the darker spots that are like holding into my pores. My feet, I did not do them very well. And I kind of ruined my hand a little bit. Definitely get a tanning mitt, not a towel turban. That's totally my bad. And I think they only have one color of tanning mousse, so I think one size fits all kind of thing, which hopefully it's just like, I think that would work for people, because just like it depends on how long you leave it on. And I also do have a discount code. I think you get 10% off your order, and my discount code is Janelle. I think I'll link everything down below. So yeah. And I also really like how I do have makeup that I use by them, and this makeup color that I'm using that was on the darker side really matches my skin now. So I have just like the little FitCover brush, and then I used the shade Embrace. This one's kind of like my summer shade, and then I have another shade. The other shade is Naked that I use for more of like the spring and winter thing. I kind of mix it together with Embrace. But yeah, so it just comes like this. And then I like to just like put a little bit in the lid. I'm so YouTube. And I mix it around like this, and then just kind of like dab it on. And it really just like matches my skin right now perfectly. Blend it into the neck, obviously. And you can also use their HIT serum. I actually ran out of it. And you put it underneath this powder, and it makes your makeup stay longer with like sweating and working out. So this makeup brand is basically made for the gym, which is very unique, and it's not too heavy or anything. Like, it's a very light, just like finishing powder kind of a thing, but it does give me some coverage on my zits, which is kind of cool. Yeah, I would very much recommend getting this tanning product if you're looking for one. But yeah, I think I look really good, and I like it because I can like keep up with my tan, so I won't just like completely fade. I can always just be like kind of on the tan side, especially for going into summer. It's like I already am head started on the summer, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me with my YouTube career algorithm, you know. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That's so embarrassing. So yeah, follow me on Instagram at janellefaithill. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoy being tan.